Hi, I'm Rue with Ninja Green in Los Angeles, and I'm going to show you how to use a self-mixing sprayer. A self-mixing sprayer is used to apply any kind of chemical or oil or substance that comes from the store in a concentrated form that needs to be watered down and then sprayed. So it can be liquid, it could be a powder. In this particular case, I've got some pests here on the plants that need to be treated. So I've got a soap oil that's going to require 3 ounces per gallon. So I've pre-measured 6 ounces here to make 2 gallons of final product. So you look on the one side and you have your fluid ounce measurement. So I fill that up to 6 ounces. Then I'm going to take some water to water it down to get it to the right concentration by filling it up to the 2-gallon mark on the other side. So there we have exactly 2 gallons. So now I have the right concentration for it to be mixed in the sprayer. And attach this to the end of your hose. And I can screw it in. You don't want to turn these over. You don't want to flip it over because there's a hole in the top for ventilation and you'll lose some of the product, and you don't want to get concentrated product all over yourself. Okay, so once this is attached, you got to turn on the water. One thing to keep in mind, these all come with a little attachment, and this attachment is for spraying on the ground if you're going to spray it on the shrubs or on the grass. But in this case, I'm spraying it up on the plants here, so I'm taking it off and I'm going to spray it directly on. And what you'll do is you'll just spray until the 2 gallons disappears. I'm Rue with Ninja Green, and that's how you use a self-mixing sprayer.